So, Millie and I stayed here at the Economy Hotel. It might be the Economy Motel. I always mix those up. In Florence last night. And it was pretty nice. So, we, of course, didn't want to show you our room because we messed it all up. But this is one of the rooms here. Millie's giving you the grand tour here. And they are not a luxury resort or family resort or anything like that, but they're a super good deal. I think it was $109 for 2 days or something like that. So it's a super good deal if you're budget traveling. Or if you're working in the area too. There's a hot tub. It's a little hot tub. It's, you know, there'll be some pictures on the blog. Shush, honey. So there's a little hot tub, and then there's a pool as well. So it's a really good deal for those amenities. And a nice king-size bed. And Millie's getting 100 pictures of the toilet. Anyways, that's enough, Mill. So I just want to give you guys a quick tour. We'll do one quick walk around because I'm sure I just shook you guys up all over the place. So, Millie, point the camera at stuff, honey. You're just taking pictures of the floor. Pick the camera up a little bit. You got it, honey. You're doing good. Then there's a hair dryer. That's always good to know if there's a hair dryer. There's shampoo and conditioner, washcloths and towels. They were short on pool towels. A little refrigerator that was super handy for us. Microwave. The unit we were in had the desks separate. They weren't sitting on the desk, so perhaps there will be a desk, perhaps not. 2 really good heavy-duty chairs, a table, blackout drapes. And there you have it. You sleeping? No.